Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. Hope you are well at your homes. Today our topic is kinds of sentences. Let us learn about a few types of sentences. Nikki is learning to play the piano. This sentence is a statement telling about Nikki and thus it is a declarative sentence. A declarative sentence ends with a full stop. Now look at this sentence. When did you start learning to play the piano? This sentence is a question for something. Thus this sentence is an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. Let us learn about imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives advice or instruction or expresses a request or command. This sentence giving a command and hence it is an imperative sentence and ends with a full stop. Stop whatever you are doing. This imperative sentence is usually begins with a base form. The subject of imperative sentence you is not shown but an understood. Do you know that what exclamatory sentence is? Look at this example. Yummy a fresh cake. This sentence is showing happiness and thus it is an exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence shows anger, fright, surprise, happiness or other strong feelings. An exclamatory sentence is ended with an exclamation mark. And remember that all sentences are begin with a capital letter. Now open your book. There are 4 kinds of sentences. Declarative sentence, a statement, giving a statement, imperative sentence, a command, interrogative sentence, asking some questions, exclamatory sentence and exclamation. A declarative sentence states a fact. Such sentences are simple statement, affirmative or negative. We use a full stop at the end of declarative sentences. Number 1. Maha is a student. She lives in a big city. The school will be closed tomorrow. These are all the declarative sentences. An imperative sentence gives a command or instructions. We use a full stop at the end of these sentences. Number 1. Go to your room. This is a command. Number 2. Shut the door. Command. Number 3. Turn left. This is giving some instruction. An exclamatory sentence expresses sudden and strong feelings such as surprise, wonder, happiness, or gratitude. An exclamatory mark is used at the end of these sentences. What a sad story! Hooray! We won the match! An interrogative sentence asks a question. We use a question mark at the end of these sentences. For example, when is your birthday? Did you have an extra pen? How is your father now? These are all the asking some question. Next is your classwork. Underline the correct type. This classroom is green. This is a simple sentence, so this sentence is a declarative sentence. Who is the principal of your school? This is asking some question, so this type of a interrogative sentence. Number C. My father is an engineer. This is also a simple statement, so this sentence will be declarative sentence. Number D. Wow, you did a great job. This is an exclamatory sentence. Now this is your homework. Add the correct punctuation marks to the end of these sentences. Write whether the sentence is declarative, interrogative or exclamatory. Hope you understood well. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.